Let's take a look at how to center text in Adobe Photoshop. I have a text layer out here. I just use the type tool, the shortcut key is T, and type some text out here, how to center text. Now you see the layer here. I can actually go to the paragraph panel up in window down to paragraph, and that's gonna pop open this little paragraph panel. You'll see in here, I can left align, center align, right align, and even justify text if it's within a text box. I could center align this text right here. Now it moves it a little bit, so we're gonna have to go up to our move tool and grab that piece of text and bring it out here. So we've centered the text, but if you want to center the text on your document, what we need to do is make a selection. So we're going to go up to select all. In this case, I'm going to center it on my canvas, both horizontally and vertically. So since I have a selection of my entire canvas and this layer selected, with the move tool up here, I can see my alignment options. If I click both the horizontal and vertical centering, it's going to center this piece of text within the middle of my canvas. Now, if I wanted to center the text on a specific element, so I'm going to press Command or Control D to deselect that selection. Up in Select, you'll see Select All and Deselect right here and the shortcut keys. If I had, let's say, a shape out here like this ellipse, I have this ellipse out here and we'll color that in really quick. Maybe make it yellow and actually make the fill yellow. There we go. So I have this yellow oval out here. If I wanted to center the text on this, what I need to do is make a selection because those alignment tools will center your layer to a selection. So to make a selection of the ellipse, one thing I can do is just hold the Command or Control key if you're on Windows over the thumbnail of that layer, click on it, and now I have a selection of the bounds of that layer. Now with then the how to center text layer selected, I can go to my horizontal align and align this text to the center of that selection, which in this case is that shape. If I wanted to center both of these elements to my entire design, I could do that Command or Control A to select all. So I have my canvas outlined here with a selection. Select both of these layers by holding Shift and clicking on them, or holding Command or Control and clicking on whichever individual layers you want to select multiple. Once I have those selected, I can then use those same tools to center it. But here's an interesting tidbit. If I use the vertical center, it's actually going to move every object individually to the center. So both the how-to text and this circle went to the center. What if I wanted to center this set of elements together as if it was one element? What you need to do is create a group out of those elements. So since I have these selected, I can actually come down here and click the folder icon, and it's going to put those objects into a group. If it doesn't, you can always just drag objects into a group, whatever you want inside that group. Now, this group acts as one object. So I could use that vertical center, and it's going to shift this entire group down and center all the elements to the canvas, if that makes sense. So anyway, we covered a lot of things, but that's mainly how to center your text here in Adobe Photoshop.